Are we starting?
Did you just ask that question as soon as I pressed the start button? No, Ben, we are not starting. What are you doing, Penny? We are starting. Why does everyone take sarcasm seriously?
Okay. Okay, I'm sorry. Well, as you can see here, we are making
They can't see anything. How are they supposed to tell what the heck we're doing? We have apple butter and buns. Like, anybody right now, I'm going to give you 10 seconds to put in the chat down below what you think we're making. 1,
I have a pretty good guess.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Wait, why can't they
8,
pause the button? Why
9,
10.
10. There. Now, I hope you guys had fun. We're making mini apple pies. If you can't understand me, then you are a fool. Oh, no, wait, I said that wrong. I am the fool. Okay, now, I'm obnoxious, and everybody can't tell because they're nincompoop. Did I say that out loud?
I think you did. Okay, so we have 2 people from this channel.
You liar.
This dude's, the cameraman's from a different channel. I forgot what it was called. He forgot what his own channel was called.
I'm a great YouTuber. I promise.
You're allowed to put
I have
that in
3
the-
million views. I'm PewDiePie in the skies. PewDiePie.
You're allowed to go down into the comment section and put the OK upside down.
Can you stop beating me with this?
Yeah.
No. Off with you.
Yes, we're still learning how to YouTube.
What?
We're still learning how to YouTube, guys.
He's still learning how to YouTube. I'm his teacher. I still know how to do this from past experience.
Alright, so what's your channel called again? Wasn't it Dreamscapes?
No. Why do you keep saying that?
Because it was a channel about your dreams.
What?
Your wacky dreams. That was your channel.
I did do that. I actually did do that.
Yeah.
But I kind of deleted that.
Oh, you deleted it? Darn.
It was trash. My dreams are kind of creepy, and I didn't want to make a creepy channel, so. Bum. That makes sense completely.
Mm-hmm.
What you eating, Ben?
I mean, mac and cheese with green beans inside of it. I know you'll only be saying that's disgusting. It is.
Why are you eating it?
Because I'm hungry.
I want to show you something. Why does
no
joke. I actually want to show you something with the staff.
Why does anyone eat? Because they're hungry.
So you know how you like to keep whacking me? This is something that I like to do to people's staffs that
cardboard and stuff. Can you guys make
more things to
something?
break.
Yeah, do that.
we're gonna
that.
beat the living. No! No, Penny, put that down. Put that down, Penny. Penny, no.
Penny?
We can't film this.
No!
Sorry, guys, this is rated R. I'm gonna put that in the description down below. This is rated R.
This section is rated R. Just mutilating the bodies. I feel like someone's gonna watch this, and as I said that, a mom's gonna come in and be like, "What you watching over there?" All you can do is hope, man. More views we have, more likely a chance that will happen. And if that happened to you, please put it down in the comments. I know we're asking you to do a lot of things in the comments.
We seriously only asked two things.
This is the Wacky Show, by the way. I'm gonna say
The Wacky Show. Perfect YouTube channel name. You're going to film now without pressing that.
I will try my best. Yay.
Stop trying to film yourself because that's how you accidentally pressed it the last time.
As long as I keep not my fingers on the screen, I will make it good.
Okay, now I am going to fill these up, and he's going to film me.
Meow, my madrone. Meow, my madrone. Meow, my madrone.
I want to say that I'm the normal one here, but really I can. Because
You can.
My so far actions say otherwise.
You know what? Look at that face. Look at that face, guys.
Yes, it looks a lot better than yours.
Hey! Put down in the comments whose face looks better. Freckle.